here for 10 years. Everybody says, oh, Taiwan is that small, but I'm always discovering new things.
New things, that's crazy.
Like for me, it's exciting, you know?
True. Like a box of surprises. A beautiful surface. You have to do some kind of special massage. You're gonna feel the nature power in your feet.
Oh my God, it feels so funny.
I can't, this is so ticklish. Shall we head to the mountains first, while the day is young?
Good idea.
You want the?
Sure.
Straight from Germany. It's from Germany.
Yep.
You bought this in the convenience store?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have,
From Germany?
Yep.
So they came on ship. How did you come to Taiwan? Were you like packed up like this or?
No, not quite. I came on an airplane 10 years ago.
Flugzeug, yeah?
10 years.
10 years.
Whoa.
I'm already a veteran here in Taiwan.
Man, I'm a baby.
I went here on a trip when I was in the second year of high school.
Wow.
I think I was like 16 and my friend just like, I want to go to Asia. And yeah, would you like to come with me because I don't want to go alone? And I said, yeah, sure. I never ever thought of Taiwan.
I mean,
that was not my intention because in Germany we know nothing about Taiwan. There is
Same as Brazil.
Brazil.
People think Taiwan is like Thailand because it sounds the same in Portuguese.
Same.
the biggest thing what we thought is that I think we learned that it's one of the Asian tigers, like in the 90s.
One of the 4 Asian tigers.
What did you love? What made you like tick? What was the?
I love the air, you know. The smell of the air was different. The
Really?
people, yes. I really like it. And we went here for 4 weeks, and after 2 weeks, I just called my mom and said, "Mom, I don't come back. Oh, I had not graduated yet." So what
That was
Fast,
really
bro.
long,
That
man.
was
That's
fast. So what was the first city that you came to Taiwan?
It's the
You went
first-
straight to Taipei or like Taichung or
yeah, I
Taipei?
went right to Taipei. I lived in Banqiao.
Banqiao.
Yes, this is also where I like do the Hongdobin stuff.
That's so cool. You have your own Hongo.
Yes, it's
You
in
mean right
Banqiao.
now?
Yes, I'm doing it like for 8 years.
Really?
Yeah, it was my first.
So,
yeah,
talk about like why you came to Taiwan now. It's your turn.
My
Yeah.
turn.
Yeah, your turn, bro.
So my dream was like to write film scripts. I know Chinese. I like Chinese culture, the traditional culture. So then I said, oh wait, there's Taiwan.
Oh.
And then I checked out, and I found a course of screenwriting, and I was like, yeah, that's perfect. That's what I want to do.
True.
So then I applied and I got in, and I got in. It's called Taipei National University of the Arts. Whoa, these mountains are beautiful.
Oh, what is beautiful.
I mean, the whole valley is like amazing. Like the whole vegetation. Have any of you come here before?
I did. It's a hot spring resort area that was discovered by the local 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙘𝙝 tribe just before being developed by the Japanese under colonial rule.
I did some research before coming here. Apparently, the hot springs are carbonic acid springs.
Too bad it's summer. I'd definitely return in the winter to soak in the hot springs.
The mountains are still a great place to escape the summer heat. Look at the crowd. Oh, we here? Nice. Wow.
beautiful, right?
It's like 100 meters high, probably.
Are these hummingbirds or butterflies?
Butterflies.
Butterflies.
Really?
Have you ever saw a hummingbird?
No.
This looks like a hummingbird to you?
Looks like it.
No!
It's big. Guys, there's a very famous suspension bridge nearby. Shall we?
Sure.
It was originally built by the local 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙘𝙝 tribe, hence the name.
Do you think this bridge is able to hold my weight?
Crack!
Yeah.
Crack!
Please. You guys, why are you in Taichung? Why did you choose Taichung as your
Well,
city?
before I was in Taipei, because my university is in Taipei, right? Then, like, my course, my degree is like screenwriting. I'm doing a master's, and I don't have to physically be in class so much, so often.
Yeah.
My university is in Guan, like near Guandu, at the foothills of Yangmingshan.
Oh,
So it's like
where I live, though.
super humid. And then I heard that Taichung is much better. So I just looked at statistics on like Wikipedia, like the weather, humidity
he
and
did
stuff.
his homework.
I did my homework and then
Right.
I just contacted like 10 different places to come and see. I came a day and then I
Yeah.
just found my place and I was like, okay, I want to be here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and then I looked for work. So I first moved to Taichung, then I
And
found
then-
my job and stuff.
Okay,
yeah.
for me it was different. I first found my work and then I came to Taichung. Ooh, take a look at that.
Is that Mazu?
No, that's
so.
Guan Yin Pusa.
Oh,
I
yeah,
think it's-
you're right.
Is it? It's Guan Yin Pusa?
Yeah, yeah.
We can go bye.
Come back.
Yeah.
She actually
hope
sounds
they-
like the Brazilian sort of the Mazu.
You got a Buddha in Brazil.
Not a Buddha, but we have something called Iemanjá.
Iemanjá?
Let me find it. Like this
So what
kind
does
of
she
this
do?
one.
Is it also with the sea and stuff?
It's the
like
goddess
Oh.
of the sea.
Oh,
Something
and
that's related to
Is
Mazu.
her story very similar to the story of the Taiwanese Mazu?
No, it's
or
a
is it
different one. Pretty much comes from the African culture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So because as far as I can remember, Mazu gave her life to save sailors, right, on the way home because
Has it not mistake is to save her father's life.
to find. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She was a daughter of a fisherman,
Yeah.
right?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah.
What about your Mazu? What about the Brazilian Mazu?
I mean, they are much more related to the African culture.
Mm-hmm.
But we have like these huge festivals that we do offerings to
Carnival.
her. Not carnival. Like we offer little bowls of wood and we put a lot of perfume
Okay.
and roses and send to her.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's her thing.
Okay, I'm to trail. Like 1.5 kilometers.
1.5
That'll be okay.
kilometers.
Yeah, ready.
Are you physically fit? do this
I
with
can
me?
handle this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're so slow.
Really, let's go run then.
Yeah.
You're so slow. Way too slow.
She doesn't know.
It's real high though.
Oh, what's that?
What?
Looks like a lot of fur.
Oh, that's cute.
What's that?
I don't know.
Is it still alive?
Not sure, but I'm gonna shoot it. Anyways.
But don't touch it.
Nah,
You shouldn't touch it, no.
I'm not gonna touch it. Let's put your German legs on the... Are you doing a catwalk show?
Huh? What is wrong with you?
Ah,
Come on, guys.
hey,
Slow pokes.
oh, my turn. Oh,
Damn, it keeps on going like this, steep.
Really?
Michelle is still trying to keep
is
up.
This?
But that's a long
Really,
walk
it's so
here.
out of shape.
Yep.
In Switzerland, we don't have, like, our mountain paths are like natural. Like they're
Oh.
on the ground, they're like trails. We don't really have this sort of like well-made steps and barriers and everything.
I'm always wondering, like when I'm walking these trails, like how much effort they put in.
A lot visibly, because I think it's good, like elder people or people who are, you know, not so used to hiking, they can
It's
sort
still
of,
safe.
Somebody
Yeah.
like me.
Yeah.
yeah,
Brazil is pretty much like Swiss, I guess.
Yeah,
It's
just
more
trails.
natural and raw.
and
But the more you go to the higher mountains, the less you see this kind of stuff.
I really envy you guys because in Germany we don't have mountains at all. Like,
you have in the south, right?
Yeah,
Some
this
of
is like
them.
1,000 kilometers where from I live. Like when I was younger, I've never seen mountains, and I came to Taiwan and just like.
So we were like, what are these
wow.
things, these big mounds?
Those are
What
big
are
rocks.
these?
They
Big-
go rocks.
Wow.
Big rocks.
Yeah, actually, one of the main reasons like I was interested in this travel experience, this whole, is actually to see the mountains, because I just moved to Taiwan, then to Taichung, but I haven't really been in the mountains so far.
Oh, okay.
You've been around, right? So what brought you in this to
Jeez.
this like travel?
I mean, I did a lot of traveling jobs,
Yeah.
and I've been to whole Taiwan. But what amazes me
Yeah.
is how you can go to the same places and find new things.
Right.
Like
New
that
spiders.
bridge over there, I
Yeah.
came here twice before.
You haven't seen the bridge.
I've been to the bridge twice, but I didn't know about this hiking trail, this one
Oh,
we're
wow.
doing. So this is the first time I've been, even though it's pretty much close to the place we were
right.
just at.
Yeah.
See?
I mean, I've been here for 10 years, and I mean, everybody says, oh, Taiwan is that small, but I'm always discovering new things.
New things, that's crazy.
Like you, I've never been here. I've never been in this area. I've never been in this trail. I
Yeah.
have never seen that bridge, and for me, it's exciting, you know?
True.
Spannend.
It's like a box of surprises.
Right?
Yeah.
Taiwan is a box of surprises. Wow.
After our 1K hike, okay?
It's a beautiful park.
It's a beautiful park
Yeah.
with a beautiful service,
Uh-huh.
a very special service.
Uh-huh.
You have to do some kind of special massage.
A massage.
a
You
massage.
will give us a massage?
Not me, not me, not me. The
Very
nature. The nature is
The
going to give
nature
you a
gives
massage.
me a massage?
Yeah, you're going to feel the nature power in your feet.
We're like mermaids.
In
Like
my
mermaids.
feet.
Yeah.
Does
See
it-
over there?
They're gonna give us a massage.
Yeah, it's like a
You mean
aquarium. See
the
those
old
fishes
ladies
there?
will give us a massage?
No, not them. They receive the massage
From?
those little guys over there. So basically,
off the
this is a
shoes?
very special massage in Taiwan that we just put our feet on the water.
Okay.
And these little cute buddies, they come and kind of eat whatever
Mm-hmm.
is on our feet, like the skin, dead skin and stuff.
They
So
eat
it's like
our skin.
The
like
dead
the
skin.
dead skin.
Only the dead one.
Yeah.
And
Are you sure?
whatever, it's dirty there. Like, I don't know how many days you didn't wash your feet, but yeah, it's gonna feel nice, believe me.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh wow, I can't
Feed
wait to
these
try
little
that.
guys.
Okay. Let's have her as a guinea pig.
Just
Okay.
take it slowly, just take, oh, they come, they come.
Oh, it's very nice. It's a very
You go down first.
comfortable
Don't be afraid.
temperature. Okay. I mean, they're not. Oh my God.
They will start to come.
Don't be shy, guys.
Oh my God, it feels so
Stay
funny.
there.
It's so fun.
That tickles it, man.
Can you open like, lift your feet like this?
This
Lift
is.
it, lift it.
I can't. This is so ticklish.
Oh, they're not coming.
I'll take my feet first, otherwise they're not gonna go there.
Wow.
Ah, guys, this is ticklish.
Oh, they're not coming to me. My feet are much more beautiful than his.
No.
Give more time.
Everybody's coming to him.
She's jealous.
I'm jealous. Yeah.
I got the sexy feet here, or the dirty ones. I don't know. Maybe both of them.
Full has, okay, they start eating a little bit. Okay,
You know, I think the fish are not the only hungry ones here.
We
I mean,
do,
they're already
been-
full. I'm jealous of them though.
We've been treading around the mountains,
Yeah. Oh.
and it's not the spiders we saw that will keep us fed. So I don't know if there's a
Right.
place around where we can sort of
Yeah.
That's a
I think
good
we should
idea.
also head.
get some dinner. I know what we'll do. So I've been to Taichung. There's a great night market called 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙘𝙝. And since you guys are all multilinguals, it's a perfect place for you guys. It's a sort of a bar, like a sort of a space for language exchange.
Oh really?
The boss, he's a very funny guy. He's from Taichung. He's married to a Japanese woman. Maybe you want to go and show off your skills, you probably will get a lot of
She's gonna crush them.
Yeah, she's going to, you're gonna be your time to shine, baby.
I'm shining all day.
Really?
Shining the whole day. Yeah.
Tip
Didn't,
German.
didn't you?
Just shining?
Didn't you see that?
Yeah, of course,
Yeah, with
yes.
that black t-shirt. Actually, I never really expected to be in Taiwan. Like, even though my father is Taiwanese. And I went to the university to do physical therapy with my mind to learn acupuncture later. That's when I finished my university and decided to come to Taiwan.
Yeah.
So my first year here was to learn acupuncture in this English-speaking medical school.
Yeah.
But I was just expecting to stay here for years and go back to Brazil.
Yeah.
And then something happened, just fell in love with Taiwan, you know? Like stay in Taiwan every day without being worried to be robbed or being gunshot at.
Right.
I felt like, oh my God, did that weight on my back just kind of disappear.
And for me, it's like a totally different culture of life. You know, you
Yeah.
can go out and it's warm.
It's so
and
fresh and everybody's so friendly.
Yeah,
I mean, that's crazy.
yeah.
We've been to so many countries, but the Taiwanese people, they're so friendly
Yeah,
towards
really nice.
foreigners.
Yeah.
You don't feel that wall between
Yeah,
culture.
they're like, hey.
Yeah,
They're like,
and
hey.
they're like, how you say that? Like, 好奇, curious. about
Curious,
it.
yeah.
So you get really
Hospitable.
true. I had like 1 year like experience in Taiwan. And I thought, man, this is the place I want to stay.
Yeah.
And then I just told my mom and dad in Brazil, like,
Yeah.
okay, my 4 years of university here of acupuncture, I gave up on that. I'm just gonna stay here.
Really?